Most people think making money with AI is complicated. It's not. In 2026, the people who understand simple AI systems are the ones building real income. AI is not a shortcut, and it's definitely not magic. It's a tool. And like any powerful tool, it rewards people who use systems, not people who chase hype. In this video, I'll show you 3 AI side hustles that actually make sense in 2026. No fake promises, just real models you can build on. The first AI side hustle is AI-powered content systems. This is not about becoming an influencer, it's about helping businesses and creators produce content faster and more consistently. AI helps with writing, editing, and planning. Systems turn that into income. The second side hustle is AI automation for small businesses. Many businesses waste time on repetitive tasks. AI workflows solve that. Simple automations save time, reduce costs, and create monthly recurring income. The third AI side hustle is AI-assisted freelancing. Clients don't pay for tools, they pay for results. AI helps freelancers deliver faster, better, and more consistently. That's why AI-powered freelancers win in 2026. None of these models are shortcuts. They work because they are simple, system-based, and scalable. If you want to build smart income in 2026, this is where it starts. Welcome to Vault Lab.